and welcome back to the channel. With AI powered tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and Deep Code, we are seeing software that can write, debug, and optimize the code. This has sparked a big debate. Will AI eventually replace software engineers? Or will it just be another tool in their arsenal? Let's dive deep into the future of programming and the role of AI. AI is already transforming programming in many ways. Developers now use AI assisted coding tools to write faster and avoid repetitive tasks. Debugging tools powered by AI can identify and fix errors more efficiently than manual testing. AI can also optimize code to make it more efficient. And with the rise of low code and no code platforms, even non programmers can build apps with minimal coding experience. While AI is incredibly powerful, it has limitations. It can assist with repetitive coding tasks, suggest optimizations, and detect errors. But it lacks creativity, problem solving skills, and the ability to understand the bigger picture. Human engineers are still essential for designing architectures, making critical decisions, and developing truly innovative solutions. AI driven development is evolving fast. From AI powered code suggestions to automated testing and deployment, developers now have tools that speed up the entire software lifecycle. AI can even help generate documentation and refactor old code to improve performance. But does this mean developers have become obsolete? Not quite. Despite AI's rapid progress, it's not going to replace software engineers anytime soon. AI lacks creativity, human intuition, and the ability to solve real world problems from scratch. Programming is not just about writing code, it's about collaboration, understanding user needs, and solving unique challenges. AI will be a powerful tool, but the role of developers will remain crucial. Rather than replacing jobs, AI is changing how we work. Developers will shift towards AI augmented roles, focusing on high level problem solving while AI handles the repetitive coding tasks. AI ethics and governance experts will ensure responsible AI development, while engineers specializing in training AI models will be in high demand. Software architects who design complex and scalable systems will remain essential. So, how can you stay relevant in an AI driven world? First, learn about AI and machine learning. It's important to understand the tools that are shaping the future. Focus on problem solving skills because AI can follow patterns, not think critically. Master system design and software architecture, as these require human expertise. And most importantly, stay updated with AI trends to adapt to new technologies. The future of programming isn't about AI taking over. It's about AI and developers working together. Engineers who embrace AI will be more productive, efficient, and valuable in the job market. Instead of fearing automation, focus on learning how to use AI to your advantage. The key to success is adaptability. So, what do you think? Will AI ever replace software engineers? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next one. Till then, happy learning.